Friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Engineer. Next topic is the Zigbee. So we will see the basic of Zigbee, that will be the what is Zigbee. Zigbee is a new wireless technology in which technological standard created for control and sensor networks based on the IEEE 802.15.4 standard created by the Zigbee Alliance. And the alliances are Philips, Motorola, Intel, HP are the all members of this alliance, which is designed for low consumption, allowing batteries to essentially last forever. Zigbee makes possible completely networked homes where all devices are able to communicate and control by a single unit. It provides network security and application support services operating on the top of IEEE. This is the architectural diagram of Zigbee and IEEE 802.15.4, which consists of application layer, API, security and network layer, MAC layer and physical layer. Now architecture. This is the layered architecture having the features like low cost, easy implementation, reliable data transfer, short range operations, very low power consumption and adequate security features. Now there are three layers, that is network and application support layer, physical layer, media access control, that is MAC layer. There are Zigbee devices. There are three different Zigbee devices which can operate on the layers in any self-organizing application network. First one is the Zigbee coordinator node. Second one is the full function device, that is FFD, reduced function device. Now we will see one by one. First one is Zigbee coordinator node. So what is the Zigbee coordinator node? It is the root of the network tree and a bridge to the other network, having able to store information about the network. Also, only one ZCN, Zigbee coordinator node, for a network. It acts as a repository for other security keys. Next one is the full function device, an intermediary router transmitting data from other devices, which needs lesser memory than Zigbee coordinator node. Laser manufacturing cost can operate on all topologies, also acts as a coordinator. Third one is the reduced function device. This device capable of talking in the network. It cannot relay data from other device. It having less memory, also cheaper than the FFD. It talks only to the network coordinator. Now network topologies. First topology is the star topology. Figure shows the star topology network in which center is the PAN coordinator and to the center there are number of reduced function devices connected to the PAN coordinator like sensor, controller, actuator, etc. Next one is the peer-to-peer topology in which mesh network is present. In that there is one PAN coordinator having multiple full function devices also connected to the reduced function devices like sensor, controller and actuators, etc. as shown in the figure. Now Zigbee mesh network. In this figure, it shows that the how mesh network is working. Third one is the cluster network. In cluster network, only one PAN coordinator is present and there are multiple full function devices connected to PAN coordinator, and again to the full function device network there are number of reduced function devices are connected in cluster network. Now characteristics of ZigBee. It having low power consumption with battery life ranging from months to years. It having low cost, simple implementation, having low data rate, it having small packet devices, high density of nodes per network. Now applications of ZigBee. The ZigBee Alliance targets applications across consumer, commercial, industrial and government markets worldwide. It also uses in home networking, industrial control and managements. Thank you.